Okay, so let's have a look at volcanoes. So last video I showed you this quick clip of Krakatoa in Indonesia erupted in 2018. The size of these massive boulders, all this ash cloud. Probably associated with tremors and earthquakes as well. Now the reason that's occurring is generally because of this magma chamber here. So magma is basically this molten rock, very, very hot. And it's normally due to some action of continental drift. Like we said, the oceanic crust, which is more dense, starts to get pushed down underneath a continental crust. And by the subduction zone now, where it's getting pushed through, that causes a change of pressure, which can then cause the magma chamber to increase in pressure, forcing magma out. Sometimes you get magma exploding out of the side of the volcano. Sometimes it comes directly from the top. Sometimes you have these volcanic bombs. You have these massive cloud of hot ash. And then as the magma runs out of the volcano, it's called lava. So then the lava will flow down the volcano side, causing devastation on its way. Around the Pacific coasts, okay, so we've got the Pacific Ocean here. There's something called the Ring of Fire, which is basically a ring of many, many, many volcanoes that are active. And if you notice, they all seem to be along these plate boundaries. So imagine all of those going off at the exact same time. It'd be absolutely devastating. So that's called the Ring of Fire. Now, this is a great video. It just shows the day in the life of Pompeii. Now, Pompeii was a city in Italy. Around about 79 AD, located quite close to this active volcano called Mount Vesuvius. Now, Mount Vesuvius actually erupted. I'll send you the link to this video. So, no problems. You start to then get some tremors. Eventually then the pressure will be so great that you'll get the ash clouds forming. It will start to launch these volcanic bombs, starting fires. See, it's blocking out the sunlight. Eventually the ash will just cover everything. And sometimes you'll get a massive explosion of ash, which will just cover the entire city. So this apparently occurred over the space of maybe 1 or 2 days, just absolutely wiping out the entire city off the face of the earth. In fact, it happened so quickly, lots of people were literally entombed in the ash, preserved for eternity. In the positions they died in, crouched in corners. There were dogs, cats, cattle, everything literally just frozen in time. So it's a quick look at volcanoes.